people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my gorgeous flat twist out and perm rod set. But first, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you can always know when I put out new content. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. As you can see, my hair is already freshly shampooed and I'm ready for styling. I've gone ahead and I have put in my leave-in conditioner. What you saw me using was the Mizani 25 Milk for moisture, and now I'm using my Color Wow Carb Infused leave-in. Both of them are absolutely great products, but I especially love the Color Wow Carb leave-in because it does give me that extra volume boost. I'm just going through right now and making sure that all of those products are evenly distributed into my hair so that my style can come out the exact way that I want it to and all of my strands are coated. For styling today, I'm going to go ahead and keep it simple with just one product. I'm going to be using the Doux Mousse. This is their texture foam. It's very lightweight and provides the perfect hold for my flat twist. So I'm going to be using that today to complete this style. This is going to be a no heat style for me, so I won't be sitting on the dryer and I will just allow this to air dry. But when I say that my curls right now are looking good with this foam, y'all know that every video y'all are going to get a texture shot. But look, these curls are curling. I mean, I'm very excited to see what my hair looks like, and as I mentioned in the last video, I do think that, you know, for 10 months post I have some really good growth. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and start flat twisting my hair. This is not a tutorial, so if you don't know how to flat twist, I can't tell you how to flat twist, but I can definitely show you what my process is. Since I still have relaxed ends, I am going to be using those orange and purple flexi rods just to get the curl at the ends. And I did go ahead and section my hair into two sections. I'll be taking the back section all the way back, and then my front section is going to be going to the front to give me that height and volume that I like. So sit back, come along on the process with me, and let's go ahead and get this hair twisted. And by the way, y'all, yes, I know that my parts are hella crooked, but it is what it is. So don't y'all come for me in the comments. So when it comes to flat twisting, all you have to do is divide your hair into two equal parts. Think of it as like you're preparing to do a two-strand twist. And once you have those two parts done, you're going to take the right section and cross it over the left section. This is what's going to create your first twist. And as you continue, grab small sections of hair from the outside and add it to the existing sections before crossing over. This is the key for a flat twist out. Again, this is not a tutorial, but hopefully that explanation does help some of you who don't know how to flat twist. We are finally through, so I'm going to go ahead and do some chores around the house, let this sit and air dry. I'm going to sleep with it overnight. We'll come back and see the final results. I'm in love with my results. What do y'all think? Drop a comment below right now and tell me if you liked the results and how they came out. I used my ghost oil to take my flat twist down to prevent any unnecessary frizz. Look at the back. Everything came out so good, y'all. I did use my Paul Mitchell hairspray just to keep me with a little bit of hold, but thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.